You're live.
Just double check it's still flashing, but yeah, switched off.
Right. So here we are. We've got 4 pipes. We've got, I can't read the colours anymore.
Okay, but you've got one.
We've got pipe number 1. You can see sensor isn't here with a weight on the floor. You can just see pipe number 2. You can see down there. Pipe number 3 is there. And pipe number 4 is there. This is your input. Now that is your input. 4 pipes, there's quite a lot of sand, as you can see. But if you look right in there, you can see the sensor, and we've pulled them all out a little bit. So we'll see what that does overnight as it settles down. All of them pushed in about 1 metre. Let's head back this way, up here.
Walkie-talkie? Make it stop.
Okay.